Hi, I'm Isaac, Product Manager here at TrackVia, and I'm excited to show you a brand new area of the platform where super administrators can see, manage, and triage critical aspects of your implementation. TrackVia App Insights. To navigate to App Insights, we're going to start by clicking on the App Overview dropdown from your admin toolbar, and we're going to jump right into the App Insights beta link. From here, we can immediately see that there's a couple aspects of the system that we're now able to triage from one convenient location: app scripts, notifications, and scheduled shares. And this is just the beginning. But let's start by taking a look at app scripts. From the app scripts page, we're easily able to search, sort, or filter in order to find information about any script attached to any table in any application within your account. And we're able to see information about the script itself, its status, and even the last time that the script would have encountered an error when it attempted to run. Let's go ahead and take a look at notifications and scheduled shares as well. Both of these experiences are really similar to the way that App Insights allows you to manage app scripts. From the notifications page, we can easily search, sort, and filter to find any notifications attached to any views in any app within your account. And again, this is going to show critical information like the status, the trigger event for the notifications, and in particular, who the recipients for this notification are, whether or not it's individual users or an entire role. And this is really helpful for being able to have oversight into who is receiving information from your system, and perhaps more importantly, easily be able to link out to the views to see exactly what fields and what information is being included in those notifications. So we've got one more area to take a look at, and that's scheduled shares. From the scheduled shares page, again, all the searching, sorting, and filtering that you'd expect is here, and you're able to see scheduled shares that are connected to any views on any tables in any of your apps. Most importantly, you can see the recipients. You can see whether or not these scheduled shares are set up to be sent when empty, use current user notifications, and really conveniently, you're even able to see the very next time that this scheduled share is configured to be sent. So you can hop in and update it if necessary, and just make sure that you've got oversight, again, into everything that's getting sent out from your system. We're really excited to continue to develop out this area of the application. So what's next? We've got a lot of great ideas about additional information that we'd like to track within this system, including things like resource management, being able to see how often views, forms, dashboards, and flows within your account are being accessed, more in-depth user audits, and even things like being able to see who's accessing your account and whether or not they're accessing your account from mobile device or desktop. Do you have any ideas about what you'd like to see included into this area? Feel free to reach out to us at productmanagement@trackvia.com. We love getting your feedback and are super excited to bring your ideas to life within the product. All right, here's to happy building.